Hi everybody, आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. I hope you guys are doing great. So without wasting much time, let us get started with our understanding of the market and let us pick some stocks for tomorrow as well as for the entire week. So let us get started, guys. So the first stock on my radar is PVR on a daily time frame. If you look at the chart of PVR, it is basically forming a very good structure on a daily time frame. So it is looking good for your swing trading as well. It was in this particular range and it is about to give a breakout. Now let's see the levels on a 15 minutes time frame for intraday. अगर आप 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम में जाओगे, you can clearly see that the stock gave a good rally on the upside, took rejection over here for almost 2 times. Okay, and if you look at the price action over the last 1 hour, it was actually spending some time over here. So we are going to go long at 1372 with our stop loss below this particular retracement, or you can also go a little conservative and we are going to keep our stop loss below 1343, which is going to be little conservative, but it is a very safe stop loss for a safe trade. Correct. So let's move on to our another stock, which is Shri Cements. So guys, this is Shri Cements on a daily time frame. Again, a beautiful structure. So I've already initiated a swing trade in this stock. And if you see after the breakout, it started to consolidate for almost 3 days at the very same level. Correct. Now let's go to 15 minutes time frame and see what's happening. On a 15 minutes time frame, what a beautiful structure we are seeing on Shri Cement. Correct. So here again, if you look at the levels are quite simple. We are going to buy above the level of 27290 and our stop loss is going to be very small with 27,000 as the stop loss. Correct. So less than 1% is the stop loss in Shri Cement. So I hope you've understood the price action in the stock. It is looking very, very good. So I think you can have Shri Cements as your priority stock. Correct. Now let's move to stocks in which I am bearish. Now, if you look at the IT sector, it has been lagging, right? Bank Nifty is looking very strong. All the other stocks are doing very, very well. But if you look at the IT sector, it is not performing very strong. Just like how we picked Sun Pharma the other day. Now, again, I am putting the link of the previous video which I had posted in the description. Go watch that. Go watch how Sun Pharma performed right the other day, and we are using the same structure over here. So this is the stock which has been trading near its all-time high. It's been going up like anything, right? However, the IT sector is now a little bearish, and if we see this support is tested once, twice, thrice, and now if tomorrow we see a breakdown from this particular level, correct? Let's mark the levels. So this is the level, correct? So we want to short at 4807 with our stop loss as 4870. Again, we're getting a very small stop loss in this particular trade as well. Correct. So this is the planning for LTTS. Now let's go to another stock in which we are seeing a fake breakout on a daily time frame, and we can see a good downside in this stock. So let's go to escorts on a daily time frame. If you check escorts, it basically gave a breakout of its all-time high with a very good structure as well. However, now the stock is back in its range. स्टॉक ने क्या किया है, वो वापस अपनी रेंज में आ गया है. कौन सी रेंज के अंदर? इस रेंज के अंदर जहां से उसने ब्रेकआउट दिया था. Now let's go to shorter time frame, right, and understand where you can get an intraday opportunity. This can also be a good swing trading opportunity. However, since we are talking about intraday, we'll go on 15 minutes time frame. And when you have to short stocks for your swing trading, you have to enter through futures and options only. So I would not recommend that right now. Now let's go and understand escorts on a 15 minutes time frame. Look at this. This was support tested once, twice, thrice. So tomorrow, if we have a closing below this level, which is the level over here, let's mark it 1880. We can short over here with this as the stop loss, which is 1887. So we're getting a very small stop loss in escorts as well. Now this is the understanding of today's market and the stocks for you tomorrow. We will soon start a series on Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. A lot of learning videos are in place. We're going to be posting it slowly and steadily. Also, we are planning live streaming on YouTube, where we are initiating a very small exercise of fearless trading. So all of it is in the process. Yes, I know we have not been able to execute it right now because there is so much going on. But hopefully we will get started with it very soon. So with that note, thank you so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends if you understood the logic behind all the stocks in a very simple manner. And yes, again, subscribe, PJ. And well, that's it. Thank you so much. We are done for the day. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.